Hi, I'm Dongin.
I'm Tegan.
So the design brief of this project was to make a children's storybook come alive through the use of at least two working systems. So we chose pneumatics and the electrical circuit at the top.
And the storybook we decided to pick was an old English fairy tale, which a lot of students would know, about Jack and the beanstalk. It's where Jack tries to go into the town and to sell his cow, but he ends up not bringing money back, he brings back beans. And his mom's not very happy. So he throws the beans out and the beanstalk grows. And Jack, being a child, he climbs up the beanstalk and he finds the giant and all his gold.
Yeah. So talking about the two systems included in the model. So the first one is pneumatic, and we hid the pneumatic inside the house and the beanstalk. So as you can see here, one syringe is inside the house, and you can move the jack by pushing the car like this. Yeah.
And moving on to the electrical system, which we decided to be dependent on the pneumatic system, so the children didn't have to control that as well, so they only have to control the pneumatics. So when Jack hits the two pins up the top together, he makes the circuit close, therefore lighting up the gold up the top, which we've covered the light in a little glass and covered it in gold, so it just lights up.
So our original intentions was to create a model that was suitable for young learners. So it was like an example of the design and technology education so that we can show this to younger students and demonstrate so the children can observe and make their own.
Yeah. And because it's for younger viewers, we made sure it was colourful, quite small and entertaining, and quite cute.
And we used display growers and cotton balls to represent real visual representations. So,
yeah. And critique.
So we believed it was successful as we satisfied all the specifications of the design brief. So the two working systems worked successfully. And
it's a 30 by 30 by 30.
Yeah.
So we're very worried about the giant that we made.
And we used different joining techniques by using hot glue, crop glue, sticky tape, and super glue.
And we also use materials that students can identify with, such as cardboard, plastic, crepe paper, cotton balls. So it's materials that students can use themselves in their future projects, so they're not taken back by it and thinking they can't do it. It's very much designed towards the children.
Yep, so we also used 4 stages of design, including investigation, design, producing, and evaluation. So you can see the evidence in the folio.
So we investigated other models to see how they work. So we didn't make the same mistakes as them, see how they creatively incorporated their systems, and we took ideas from that, and also actually observing the actual book themselves, we decided to do this thing where Jack climbs up. And the designing part was very important because that's where we decided where everything was going to go, making the actual making of the model much easier.
And because the model is for younger students, safety considerations were made. So for example, the electric wires were hid inside the beanstalk, but you can still see through the hole. And the safety were also ensured during the making process, such as wearing gloves when using hot glue to prevent from burning. So yeah.
So just a final demonstration of how our model works. We take Jack down.
And you push the plunger down to make the air flow to the other syringe.
And it lights up. It will light up the section of the bottle. As you can see with the very bad lighting, you can tell. There we go, it lights up.
Anyway, thank you.
Woo!